at Home with Pam, and I have my brother here today who's the owner of Down to Earth Landscapes in Santa Barbara, and we're going to show you how to prune a hydrangea. Today the one we're going to be doing is called Red and Pretty, and Bruce has been kind of suffering a little bit of mold and mildew on it. So I know maybe you can kind of explain what to do with that too.
Yeah, so during the seasons of like late summer and cool, foggy weather,
Right.
what is happening is mildew spores are actually developing onto the leaf.
I can see right here.
And so what I normally do is I treat it organically with a stylet organic horticultural oil,
Okay.
sometimes mixed with vinegar. I just like to do a simple mix into a spray bottle, spray it directly onto the leaf, make sure the entire leaf is coated,
Right.
and leave it on the leaf, don't wipe it off.
Right.
And that will actually cause the mildew spores
Okay.
to...
So if you don't have that oil, can you use something else, like say
you could use mineral oil.
Mineral oil or like vegetable oil?
Maybe vegetable oil. Mineral oil would probably be the best.
Okay, and then just mix that with a little bit of your like Dawn soap and
Yep,
or vinegar.
That's another.
And a little bit of water, and then
Yep,
spray it on.
yep.
Okay.
But so, you know, the hydrangea will go through its cycle, and then come late December, January, it's time to prune it.
Right.
And what I normally like to do is come in and remove the entire stalk down to a very healthy node.
You want to show us where the node is again?
So this is a healthy node. This is new growth that will be coming out. Will be next year's actual blossom.
Okay.
And I will just go in there like that,
You do a
snip
slant.
it off,
Do a slant.
and then all these leaves here come off, and this is bare. And then so the next thing we want to do is shape the entire plant for next year's growth.
Okay.
So you use this plant cut as the height of the entire prune.
Okay.
So that means then again you would cut like here, 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 and then you just basically go around the entire plant.
So it's all around the same height.
Yeah, so it's all proportion as far as the cut, and that's basically it.
Right.
And then throughout the winter, you know, keep it watered if it's in a pot like this.
Right,
And then
right.
come spring, it'll leaf out.
Okay, and also you want to hand me the flower. You can take these and you remove the leaves that are underneath, and I'll put them in water for about maybe 2 or 3 days, and let them soak up the water, and then take them out, and you can dry them, and you have nice, beautiful little dried hydrangeas for the winter time. Thanks for visiting. We'll see you again.